In this ever-changing world, it's becoming increasingly important to catch the eye of your customers. Today, we'd like to introduce you to a product that can help your business shine: our LED display advertising machine. This advertising machine utilizes P6 NationStar brand outdoor SMD 3535 high brightness big LEDs, ensuring the image is clearly visible even in bright environments. All wires and accessories are neatly arranged. The Wi-Fi program release Novastar system support makes the operation easy and convenient. Built-in big brand power supply ensures stable operation for a long time. Equipped with 8 PCs, high-power cooling fans to reduce the temperature and prolong the service life effectively. Adopting durable and high-hardness sheet metal cabinet and side lock design, fashionable appearance, safety and reliability. Can print your own logo to highlight the brand influence. Choosing us is choosing excellence. Action now and make your brand the center of attention. Thank you for watching. More exciting content is waiting for your attention.